Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new TikTok feature where you can now play TikTok videos in landscape mode. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this update is not out yet and it's only available for some users and it's only on some videos. So this is a video which I found that only shows up in the middle of the screen. So in this video, you can see the full screen button which just appears under the video. Now if I tap on this full screen video, this will turn the video to a landscape mode. And to view this video, I need to turn my phone in my landscape position and watch it. So as you can see, it only happens to some video where the video is landscape, not a portrait video. So let me know what you think about this new feature where you can now put TikTok videos in landscape mode. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.